Hi guys, I've been asked to show how I make my explosion box, not with A4. This is actually a bigger explosion box. This is a 5x5 explosion box. Okay, now I've been and designed all my pieces in serif. I'm actually using Knitwit's Abigail collection on this one. This is actually a large sheet, and all I've done is I've made it to the size that I require, okay, which is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Sorry ladies that work in centimetres, I've got no idea what that is. I really don't. I don't work in centimetres. And I have cut all my pieces. I've used some of Nanavic's wedding digis, okay, and then some that are just not. These come in the Abigail, and I'm just gonna put those on a piece of card before I cut them out, just so that you get a nice bit of card on the back. I'm using Paper Mill's online linen, white linen cardstock. It's lovely, actually, lovely cardstock to use, and the linen is nice. Now, to make this box, you need 4 pieces of card that are 5.5 inches by 5 inches. Okay, so that's 5.5 by 5 inches, and on the 5.5 side you score 1/2 inch, okay, on all 4 pieces. All right, so it's scoring 1/2 inch on all 4 pieces. You then need 1 piece of cardstock that is 5x5, okay, and then one that is a smidge under 5x5. All right, this is actually you'll see what that's for in a minute. And then your lid, okay, is 7 and a smidge by 7 and a smidge, scored at 1 inch all the way round, okay. And what we're aiming for is this is what we're actually aiming for, okay. This is a 5x5 exploding box. All right, again, this is using Abigail papers from the Knitwit's collection, okay. Beautiful stuff on the Knitwit's. And then when you open it, there's your cake. I've done some of these already. You can see that they're they're on the linen cardstock, and I've made it so that the correct side is facing out. People can write little messages on there should they choose. Okay, I can't remember where I got this branded die, die from, because I've taken it out of its packet, so I can't actually remember where it came from, so apologies for that. These, no, I know I've got some tonic dies. These are tonic. This is your Mr. and Mrs. and your wedding day, okay. And I've cut those out 2 or 3 times. I don't know if you can see that. A couple of times in card, and then the matching card on top. It just gives it it's a little bit like a chipboard feel. And each one of these is a box, okay, so people can put in little gifts. I haven't overly decorated this cake this time. Sometimes I'm known for going a little bit over the top when it comes to my decorating. I was trying to be, as my friend Sue would say, less is more, Kim. Okay,